Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable cheats on Sims 4 either on PC, PlayStation 5, 4 or Xbox console. So on PC, you want to go ahead and click Ctrl Shift and C, and then at the top you will see that there is a white space where you can write something down. Now to turn this on console, you want to press all controller 4 shoulder buttons at once, and it will open up this option where you can go ahead now and you need to write down testing cheats, then space, and then write down true. Now we want to click enter, and the cheats are now enabled, and now you can go ahead and write down any cheats you want. For example, you can write down something for money, and you will get that much. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.